Welcome to HWM Aston Martin and welcome to this February 2020 on a 69 plate V12 AMR DB11 Coupe. This particular car's travelled 9,600 miles from new, and what we thought we'd do is give you a good look around the optional content that is on this vehicle. It is available on the Timeless scheme from Aston Martin and on our website, which is hwmastonmartin.co.uk. Let's delve in and show you a few of the key features. So this particular car is finished in Hammerhead Silver. So Hammerhead Silver is a colour that's been around for quite some time with Aston, and it sort of sat between tungsten and meteorite for a very long time, but it is an off-palette colour, so there was an optional cost for this particular colour. A few things that a lot of people didn't quite know about AMR. They changed a few features without really letting anybody know. So the LED front headlamps on DB11 AMR actually have a dark gloss black backing in them, whereas on the original V12 model they were a chrome or a bright silver finish on the inside of the headlamps. So we just sort of darkened down the mood of the vehicle a little bit, and also sort of went with the rest of the theme that's on this particular car. So this car does have the gloss black lower body pack, which was a standard feature of the V12 AMR. You could either have that in carbon or gloss black, and we also have the gloss black upper body package as well, which is your front grille, your bonnet vanes, side strakes and your rear tailpipes. On top of this as well, we also have the gloss black mirror caps, roof strake and roof. Just give you that nice sort of gloss black over Hammerhead with the gloss black on the top as well, so a great theme. On the side of the vehicle we have the forged lightweight satin finish wheels, along with the black brake calipers behind there as well. Moving around the back of the vehicle, this car has your smoked rear lights, as well as the Aston Martin script that then became a standard feature of DB11 from about 2018 onwards. So on the interior of this car, this is where we have a large amount of the optional content on this particular vehicle. So we have the optional pure black leather on the interior, and being the AMR, you had the choice of having the Alcantara finish on the bolsters of the seats, so the bottom bolster on the squab and also on the side as well. We have AMR logo imprinted on the headrest and heated and cooled seats, so you do also have the perforation, and we also have a match to seat roof lining as well, so we have a leather tram rail around the outside of the roof along with the Alcantara and then the roof centre. We also have premium audio, which was a standard feature of AMR, and we also have the dark chrome jewellery pack, which will be your waterfall surround, your buttons and switches and dials and your air vents as well. This particular car was a much later model, so when DB11 AMR was introduced, you could then have things like blind spot monitoring, which this car has. You also have heated steering wheel, which was an optional extra on this particular vehicle as well. And then your regular features like your 360 cameras, your Bluetooth music, memory seats, and also you have multi-adjustable seats on this vehicle, so you have lumbar and bolster support on this car. A couple of features that are worth just noting about AMR. So when they stopped production of the early V12s and they introduced the V8 DB11, a lot of the engineering that they learned through the weight saving of the V8 with the thicker anti-roll bars and suspension configuration on the V8, they then added into the V12 AMR DB11, along with a few bits that were also helped along with at that time Aston Martin Racing. Like I say, if you're interested in this car, do give us a call or visit our website, and we'd be more than happy to help where we can. Thank you.